Howdy, I'm Briana Cruz. I'm an Aggie Women in Construction officer, a part-time Home Depot employee, and a class of 2025 co-sci student. I was actually on the path to dentistry, and it just wasn't my route. I was talking with a few friends that were in co-sci. They introduced me to the major. One of my friends especially, she told me about her experience in the department and how much she enjoyed it, about all the classes, all the professors. My favorite construction science class is definitely MEP, which stands for Mechanical Electrical Plumbing. And it's taught by Professor Houston. I learned so much in that class about all the systems that we use every day. And it's pretty cool because our assignments are also like a scavenger hunt. So it's fun going off to class with my friends around campus, taking pictures. I've actually been able to apply the knowledge that I've learned here from some of my classes to my job, such as learning what materials are and how they're used, rather than someone else working at my job that isn't in co-sci. A common misconception about my major is that we're more labor-based. I'll often get asked, will you be able to build me a house? Well, that's what trades are for. They specialize in their own sectors. What we're learning here is how to manage and oversee the entire project from beginning to end.